Welcome back. Today I've got a special guest star, Liam, and he's our only grandson, and he's here to help me make these wonderful no-bake cookies. And you're going to find he gave them a special name during the video, but we're not going to share that. We're going to let it be a surprise. Thanks for joining. Today, Liam, we're going to make Dad's favorite cookies. And you know what? This was my mom's recipe, so that means it's your great-grandmother's recipe. This is an old-fashioned recipe. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to put in 2 cups of sugar. So I'll hand them to you, and you pour them in the pan there for me. And we've got good, clean hands, don't we, before we start?
Yeah, that is definitely a lot of sugar.
That's a lot of sugar. Now you see how much sugar's in your candy and stuff you eat? All right, so we got the sugar.
It's definitely not that much. Probably less than that.
No, I doubt it. All right, now we're going to put some cocoa in. Now, it calls on this recipe for 2 tablespoons, but my mom didn't use a measuring spoon. She just used a kitchen spoon. So we're going to put 2 heaping.
I thought you put milk in next.
No, we're going to do this first. Okay, now mix that together really well, because we want to mix our dry ingredients. That makes sure it gets mixed together well. All right. Let me give it one little stir. I see a few lumps. Helps to get those out before we start cooking. All right, now, as you said, we're going to put some milk in. And it calls for 1/2 cup of milk. So we use our liquid measuring cup. And can you show me where 1/2 is? Right there. Yep. So I'll pour and you watch and tell me when I get to it. Stop. All right, pour it in. All right.
Oh, look, it looks like, see, it likes bubbles.
All right, now we need a stick of butter. So you want to cut that up?
Yes, please.
Yeah, this butter is a little hard, isn't it? You just took it out of the fridge, that's why. Yeah. You won't hurt the counter because it's got the wax paper of the butter underneath. I'll just help you a little bit. Okay, so we're just cutting it up. And the only reason you have to cut it up is it makes it melt better. So.
Yeah, because you put it in a...
Oh, it won't do very well.
No,
all right, you want to mix it again?
This is hard with the butter in it.
Yeah, it is, but it'll be fine. Just kind of start mixing it together. And then I'm going to pour just a teaspoon of vanilla in it. You see? This is vanilla. What else have you eaten that has vanilla in it?
Snow cream.
Snow cream, when we made it this winter. Yeah. All right. So about a teaspoon of vanilla.
Yeah, it smells like snow cream.
Does it smell like snow cream?
Yeah.
Except for snow cream's not chocolate.
Snow cream's not chocolate, though.
Yeah.
It's just snow, vanilla, sugar, and I forgot something else.
Yeah. All right. So there we go. There's.
And it's cold.
Yeah. I'll get it off the side of the pan and get the outer. You're right. It is kind of hard to stir it with the butter. So now we're going to set this to the side. We're going to put it on the stove in a minute. But first, we got to get everything else ready before we move to that step. Okay. So we need 3 cups, maybe a little less even, of oatmeal. Here's 1. You want to pour that?
Yes, please.
All right. Hold the thing and I'll pour us another one. Okay. 2. And 3. And there's just a little bit left in there, so I think I'll just put it in there too, so we won't have too much. All right, now, we're not doing anything with that quite yet.
Yeah, it's almost at 3.
But, oh, thank goodness we're next to the garbage disposal. We'll just rake that off in there. All right, now, what we have to do is we have to measure out our peanut butter. And look, we find the cup line. Let's see, where is it? Got to find a cup. This is in upside down. That's the problem. I was like, can't see it. Here we go. Right there. 1 cup. dip out the peanut butter and put it in here. And we'll use
That's a big scoop.
It is. We're going to use the butter knife to help get it off. Front and the back. All right. Do the next one.
Oh, that's another big peanut butter scoop. How many scoops do we need?
We got to fill this cup up.
Oh, it doesn't matter how many scoops?
Yeah, you don't go by scoops. You go by cups. That is kind of strange though, isn't it? Because, I see where you got that because we used 2 scoops or spoons before in the chocolate. But
wow. Another big scoop.
Probably one more. One more scoop.
Okay.
Doesn't have to be a real big one, just a scoop.
Okay.
That's good.
Is that good?
Yeah.
Because
you know what? Yeah, it sticks up a little bit. I like it that way because look, here's an air pocket down here. So there's some missing parts. So I usually let it stick up a little bit, which is fine. All right, now we're going to move to the stove. Now what we're going to do is I'm going to move this stuff over by the stove.
Even the peanut butter?
No. And this over to the stove. And we're going to move this kind of out of the way a little bit. Yeah. Okay. We got to do some wax paper out because we're going to drop these cookies out on this wax paper. Now, when we get finished with them, we got to move fast because you drop them out by tablespoons onto this paper. Let's turn it this way. Okay. Now, all right, we're ready to move to the stove. Okay, we're turning on our gas stove, and I'm going to put it on the highest level right now because I really want it to start boiling. What does boiling mean? Do you know, Liam?
It means it starts bubbling.
Bubbling, yeah, that's right. What else do you know that might bubble?
Lava.
Lava? Well, that's good.
It bubbles all the time.
Yeah, lava bubbles all the time. Did you learn that in school? About lava? Or
no.
you just knew it on TV or something? Okay. Well, all right. So do you think we should call these lava cookies? Okay. Instead of no bake, we're going to call them lava cookies.
No bake lava.
Oh, no bake lava cookies. All right. I like that. Okay. And so I'm just going to wait until it starts boiling. And then, don't you touch that peanut butter. I know you want some.
It looks like that one's like a wave.
Yeah, it does look like a wave.
Except it's like pink.
All right, we're going to turn this the camera off, and then we'll come back when it starts boiling.
It's starting. Barely.
Just barely. Okay, Liam, can you see it's starting to boil just a little bit around the edges? What my goal is for all those bubbles to get all the way.
Oh, see.
Here it comes. What?
This one looks like a wave.
What kind of wave?
Like the ocean wave.
Oh, like the ocean where we went this summer?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, look at this now. It's bubbling all the way across. I'm going to set a 2-minute timer. Hey, Siri, set a timer for 2 minutes.
That one looks like I can't remember what it's called. It looks like a seagull.
A seagull?
This one.
You got ocean on the brain. We're supposed to have cookies on the brain.
The cookies look like lava.
Cookies look like lava.
Now they
The
do.
peanut butter looks like the ocean. What does the oatmeal look like?
Gravel.
Gravel. Well, that's pretty close. And I'm going to turn the heat down just a little bit now to about medium since it's boiling fully. And I'm still stirring though.
That looks delicious.
It looks delicious.
And it smells delicious.
You know, your dad loved these cookies so much that he would rather have these cookies than a birthday cake.
Why would I want for a birthday cake?
He just loved them. So you know what I did on his 16th birthday?
What?
I made these cookies and I got some icing and I wrote an H on the first cookie, an A, and then a P on the next one. I wrote out happy birthday, happy 16th birthday. And he loved it. You want me to do that for your 16th birthday?
Yes.
Okay. I'm putting that in my brain right now. So you're not getting a birthday cake for your 16th. You're going to get chocolate lava cookies or lava no-bake cookies.
Yeah, lava no-bake cookies.
All right. We got about 14 seconds left. Ooh, it's hard waiting when something's so good.
Yeah. It's very hard.
It's very hard to wait. Yeah. All right.
And that pie looks
All right. Time's up. All right. So then I turn the fire off of the stove. And you see it's still boiling. You can look over there. See how much it's boiling? All right. Now we got to put the peanut butter in. So can you push the bottom? Ooh. And one little secret I have that I used to not know, and my cookies would turn out kind of runny. I figured this out. I leave it sitting on the stove while I melt my peanut butter, because then that lets it kind of boil just a few more seconds.
Because the stove's still hot.
Because the stove's still hot. You're exactly right. And so here's the...
Or the oatmeal kind of looks like...
All right, we're ready for the oatmeal now. All right, we're back at the counter. Back at the counter. Get up on your little stand. All right, can you pour the oatmeal in here for me? Ooh, yum. All right, you got to stir. You got to kind of work kind of fast because it starts setting up. It's almost really like a candy, even though it's called a cookie.
That looks like the ocean.
Yeah. Now.
Oh, now I can really smell it.
Now you can really smell it. Does it smell good?
Yes, it smells very good.
Very good. Okay, this is what it's supposed to look like. All right, then I'm going to take it and I'm just going to spoon it out. Actually, I probably, filming didn't get them mixed as much as I normally do, because I see some of the oats look a little white where I didn't mix it well, but it'll still taste good.
Just like a little bit.
Yeah.
Just like here and there. That's
all right. When my mom made these when I was a little girl, my favorite thing to do was see these little pieces in the middle here that kind of fall. I would go around and scoop those up and eat them before the cookies were even ready.
You didn't even lay it out. You would just eat them?
I would. I wouldn't even let them cool. I would just like take.
Because they're just little pieces, and that's barely hot. Yeah, that's barely hot.
Barely hot, but is it good?
It's good.
It's good. All right. Thank you. Thank you for watching. This is Sherry and Liam, our only grandson, and we have been making no-bake cookies, which he renamed to no-bake lava cookies. And so we appreciate you watching today. Please like and subscribe if you'd like some more old-fashioned Southern cooking. Have a great day. Bye. Can you say?
Bye.